Welcome to SciPVRSE, your go-to channel for exploring the world's most fascinating yachts and ships. Today, we're diving into a true classic, a yacht with heritage, elegance, and timeless craftsmanship, the Viudes SL Motor Yacht. In this review, I'll walk you through what makes this yacht special, from its design and interior to its performance and unique appeal. Whether you're a nautical enthusiast or simply love beautiful vessels, join me as we explore the Viudes SL in depth. First, a brief introduction to the Viudes SL. Built in 1983 by the Spanish yard Viudes SL in Barcelona, this yacht is a wooden classic through and through. It has a deep V-hull constructed in composite and hardwood with frames of hardwood, giving it both strength and the warm, organic feel of traditional craftsmanship. The superstructure is made of plywood, and the decks are laid in teak, emphasizing its timeless, elegant aesthetic. Dive brokers, this is not just a yacht, it's a floating piece of history. Turning to the key features, one of the most striking things about the Viudes SL is its generous size and robust construction. At roughly 24.5 meters in length overall and a beam of about 5.50 meters, she has a presence that commands respect. Dive brokers, with a displacement estimated at 55 metric tons, she is a heavy, solidly built vessel designed for serious cruising and longevity. Dive brokers, the whole shape is deep V, which provides a classic look and helps with handling in choppy seas. Dive brokers' steering is hydraulic, with both an internal and external helm station, offering flexibility for the skipper. Dive brokers' wide side decks and a sturdy bulwark surround the yacht, and she even features a flying bridge, allowing for elevated views or relaxing sunbathing space. Dive brokers, the craftsmanship is evident everywhere, from the double diagonal construction to the stainless steel window frames. Moving into the interior features, the Viudes SL is surprisingly spacious. She offers 4 guest cabins, each with its own en-suite bathroom, plus a dedicated crew cabin, which speaks to her scale and comfort for extended stays. Dive brokers, the salon is located aft in the deckhouse, creating a cozy and relaxing lounge space, while the forward part of the deckhouse houses the dining room and a separate galley. Dive brokers, that layout is practical and well thought out. Guests can dine or socialize without interfering with the galley, and the flow from salon to dining feels natural. Below deck, everything remains in its original condition, which gives the yacht a very authentic, classic feel. Dive brokers, the galley is equipped with a 4-burner hob, microwave oven, full-size refrigerator and freezer, sink, and even a dishwasher. Dive brokers, there is also a wine cooler, which adds a touch of luxury. The worktops are practical yet elegant, made in Formica, paired with a stainless steel sink and mixed tap, combining function and style. Dive brokers, for entertainment, the salon features 2 flat-screen TVs and a Bang & Olufsen sound system, which is a nice modern touch in such a classic vessel. Dive brokers' headroom throughout the interior is quite generous, about 2 meters in the salon, slightly less in the forward cabins, but still comfortable and airy. Dive brokers, the crew cabin is well appointed, and there is a day head there as well, making the yacht practical for both long cruises and live aboard use. From a Technitz SL is equipped with 2 MTU engines, model 8V396, each producing around 1087 horsepower. Dive brokers, these engines run at approximately 1975 RPM, are coupled to 4 blade propellers via greased propeller shafts. Dive brokers' fuel capacity is about 6,000 liters, giving her considerable range for cruising, while freshwater capacity is around 4,000 liters, which supports extended stays on board. Dive brokers, the yacht also has trim tabs to help trim her attitude in the water, and a hydraulic proportional bow thruster to assist with maneuverability in tight spaces. Dive brokers, her electrical system includes 12, 24, and 230-volt circuits, a shore power connection, and batteries rated at 6 a 235 charged via a master volt charger. Dive brokers, for standby power, she carries 2 Onan Whisperset generators, each producing 16 VA at 1500 PM. Dive brokers' hot water is handled by a boiler calorifier, and a Webasto heating system runs on both diesel and electricity. Dive brokers, there's also a bilge pump system, a diesel water separator, and no onboard gas system, keeping things safe and reliable. Dive brokers, all of this shows that although she's a classic yacht, she has been equipped for practical cruising with modern comforts. Performance-wise, while the exact top speed is not publicly listed in the seller's information, the twin MTU engines with over 2,000 horsepower combined suggest that she is capable of respectable performance for a heavy, classic yacht of her era. The deep V-hull design and trim tab setup would help her run smoothly, even in rougher waters. Her heavy displacement, combined with her powerful propulsion, also means she should be stable and comfortable underway rather than built for pure speed. The bow thruster further assists her maneuverability, especially when docking or navigating confined harbors. Talking about design appeal and unique selling points, the Viudes 80 is a rare gem. Her wood construction and classic lines evoke a bygone era of yacht building, offering charm that modern fiberglass yachts often lack. The craftsmanship in hardwood frames, plywood superstructure, and teak decks is a testament to traditional workmanship. Her flying bridge and broadside decks give her both elegance and utility. On board, the layout with 4 cabins and en suites is generous, allowing for privacy and comfort for guests and crew. The original interior detailing, including classic cabinetry, generous headroom, and the integration of modern comforts like air conditioning, a sound system, and entertainment electronics, make her a perfect balance of tradition and usability. Another unique point is her status as a vessel that has not been completely stripped down. She retains much of her original character. That means restoration potential is significant. As mentioned in her broker listing, she needs a lot of attention and would benefit from a refit to restore her to former glory. Do you have brokers for someone passionate about classic yachts? She offers a canvas to blend restoration with modern upgrades, a rare opportunity. Her spacious foredeck, aft deck, and upper deck provide plenty of outdoor areas for relaxation. So, Div Brokers, the fact that she is solidly built and seaworthy for coastal cruising or even year-round liveaboard usage adds to her practical appeal. Div Brokers. From a value perspective, owning a classic wooden yacht like the Viudes 80 is not just about status, it's about stewardship. This yacht has personality, legacy, and character that few modern vessels can match. She invites a dedicated owner who appreciates craftsmanship, history, and the joy of maintaining something timeless. For those who love classic yachting, she offers a rare opportunity to own a piece of maritime heritage and to restore or upgrade in a way that keeps the soul intact. In terms of audience appeal, this yacht is likely to resonate with a few distinct groups. Classic yacht enthusiasts will admire her wooden construction and traditional design. Cruisers who appreciate comfort and space will value her layout and onboard systems. Investors or restorers looking for a restoration project will see her as a canvas. And even charter operators might be drawn to her as a unique offering for clients who want something vintage, elegant, and atmospheric. Summing up, the Viudes 80 is a classic motor yacht that brings together the warmth of wooden craftsmanship, practical cruising systems, and the bones for a passionate restoration. On Shipverse, I see her as a standout example of what makes classic yachts deeply compelling. She's not the fastest yacht in the water nor the sleekest modern cruiser, but she has a soul, a history, and tremendous potential. If you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe to Shipverse for more yacht reviews and deep dives, and drop a comment below telling me whether you prefer classic wooden yachts like the Viudes 80 or modern super yachts built from composite materials. Until next time, fair winds and calm seas from Shipverse.